Welcome to the channel. In this video, my girlfriend Danni and I head into the mountains of southern Vermont for a relaxing truck camping trip in my Chevy Colorado. We will be exploring the beautiful Green Mountain National Forest, cooking by the fire, and enjoying a slower pace surrounded by some incredible scenery. If you've been needing a break from the noise of everyday life, as we all do sometimes, this trip is all about getting outside, unwinding, and appreciating the simpler things.
Alright, what's up guys? So as you can see, this video is a little bit different. We're not hiking, we're not building shelters, and we're not doing any bushcraft nonsense in this one. We got the rooftop tent, the truck, and we are in southern Vermont. It's actually a beautiful day today. We drove up this morning, and this one's going to be a little bit simpler. It's going to be a relaxing, cool video. I plan to do some cinematic bits and some cooler stuff. We got the mountain bikes, going to mess around with those. Make a good dinner, and if you came to this video to see Noah, unfortunately you're not going to see Noah in this one. Noah's back at home. So instead, I brought my girlfriend Danni here.
Hey guys.
So this is just going to be some good old-fashioned southern Vermont car camping, and I'm super stoked to get into it. The weather's beautiful, it's sunny. I'm actually in a t-shirt and I'm not cold for once, so this is a nice breath of fresh air. It actually does smell way better up here.
It does smell way better up here. It's different from the Adirondack air.
Yeah, it is different. Jesus fucking bugs. Damn it. So I know someone in the comments is probably gonna ask, so I'm gonna explain it real quick. This is my 3rd gen Colorado. I built it for a trip that we took out west last year. There's some videos of that on the channel you probably saw. I'm gonna go over it super quick. 17 by 9 33s, Yakima skyrise. We got the bed rack back there. It's like a 12.5 inch mid-rise with traction boards and shovel, axe, all that stuff. Got propane mount up in there so we can cook in the tailgate and do everything. Some rock sliders and whatnot. So it's just kind of like a very basic overlanding rig. 2-inch lift and then some light bars and features like that, which actually aren't on the truck right now. But it's perfect for this. It's perfect for the East Coast. There you have it. That's a quick overview on that.
So far, so good?
Yeah. It's a little uneven. Not too bad though. This is a 25-cent coin from Ecuador. I just found this on the ground here. All the way up in southern Vermont. 25-cent Ecuador coin. stuff's gonna burn.
Is it wet or rotten or mixed?
All of the above.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like really punky and foamy. Just junk. I don't have a good splitting stump, so I'm really just hammering the end of this axe straight into the dirt. Not happy about that. The lower down I got to the tree, the better it got.
Oh, good.
There's like a couple decent bits.
Let's start with the lower stuff. Are they alive?
Yeah,
Why aren't they moving?
they're just cold.
Oh, they're about to be real warm.
No,
No.
get them out of there.
Isn't it bad to touch them?
Well, it's better to touch them than to burn them, and I don't want to burn them. Got one on me just in case. We just went on a little bit of a bike ride. There's a whole bunch of birch trees around here, but actually no good ones here. Pockets are loaded up, and that's what we're gonna start the fire with. Be nice and easy as usual. I'd use more up the middle like that. Yeah, there we go. Long strike and hold the rod down in it. Like the rod can touch it. It's okay. There you go.
How do you do that without moving it?
Close. Just like hold the rod down on it and like that. Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
Yeah. So like the bark's not great, but you just don't want to like move it too much.
Yeah.
Really. Like you were kind of just like moving it. Do it a couple of times. It's pretty straightforward.
Okay.
That still works.
Yeah. Yes.
Cool. Ugh. This raw chicken. So if you couldn't tell, tonight for dinner we're doing actually one of mine and Danny's favorite foods.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Gonna grill them. Got a cool little grate thing. We're gonna stick those in, grill both sides. Yeah, season these guys up and get them on the grill. Give you a good shot of those. This is a cool little setup we have going back here. That's actually just a magnetic light
and it works really well. We've been doing this for a long time and never felt the reason to change it. Alright, so yeah, here's what they're going in. This thing's pretty sweet actually. It's like a handheld grate, so you can cook both sides, as I'm dripping chicken juice all over my bed. But yeah, those are seasoned up. We're gonna stick them on the fire and get these wings grilled up. I'm pretty stoked for this. Wings are completed. That took way too long. Terrible cooking fire, but these are looking pretty solid. I like drums. Danny likes flats. It's actually a pretty good thing that we're in a relationship, I guess. Check this out, guys. There's one of those bright orange salamanders right here. I think he's a little bigger. It's pretty similar to the New York ones, but these things are so cool. Yeah, those are some of my favorite. I really like salamanders and lizards and frogs and turtles. I always have. Especially those little orange guys like I found there. We have those in New York. They're not quite that big, and that one seemed a little bit more vibrant. But they are just the coolest little animals. They're so slow around this time of year because they're just waking up and it's still cold outside. I am really enjoying this area up here, though. This is the first time I've ever camped up in southern Vermont. I lived up in this region for, I don't know, about a year. Back right out of high school, and so now it's kind of cool to be back up here 10 years later or so, and everything's just so lush and green. It's a different environment than what I'm used to. This creek behind me is so cool. It's got this golden hue to it due to all the sediment in the water and the sun's rays hitting it. It's just a really, really neat area. I think that the plan for this morning is going to be to go for a little bike ride. It's super nice out right now. Burn off some of the beers and chicken wings I had last night, and then probably cook some breakfast and see where the day's gonna take us. But it is an awesome day out here today, and this is a really cool area. If you've never been to southern Vermont, would thoroughly recommend. This is really cool.
Fortunately, somebody got this guy. Damn. But I gotta move you out of the way. I don't want you to get hit like your buddy did. Come on. I'm gonna put you in a nice safe place. Some wet leaves. There you go. Enjoy that. Don't get smoked by a car. I don't know if these are like turtles and you're supposed to put them in the direction that they're going, but here's another one. And I don't want you to get hit either, dude. This is not my propane hookup. This is a bike lock. Oops. This is my propane hookup. Sausage grease is crazy. I should probably dump some of that. Yeah. It's gonna make a mess. It's gonna catch on fire. I'm gonna blow up. I don't want to do any of that. Because it'll like drip down the side.
Yeah.
Just put a little bit in there. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's good. She said she wasn't hungry. Didn't want any. Started making it. Can you just make a big scramble? I think I want some too. Every time. Every time.
Looked really good.
Alright guys, so if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I know that this one's a little bit different, but we had a lot of fun. It was very relaxing, and this is a super neat environment. Very different as to what we're used to. But as you can see, the rooftop tent is folded up, the bikes are loaded, the bed is loaded, everything is all set to go. So we just need to head on out of here. We're gonna go adventure over to Brattleboro today, which is on more the eastern side of Vermont, and go see what's going on over there. But we're gonna stay up here for the next couple of days. We might make another video, we might not, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this different style of content.
You got me?
I got you.
She must love me a little bit because she's at least backing up so I don't have to walk the whole way there. Thanks, Danny. Appreciate you.